Busy kayo? Manggugulo lang ako saglit. Nakabreak lang. Oo nga, ang ganda ng araw. Busy kayo, busy? Parang ano lang, no reflection, parang nasa glass lang. Ayan na. There's the, what they call that? You can see it from the corner. Yun yung center. Research center yan. Yan.